Go to the Tools panel in Illustrator and select the Rectangle tool. Create a rectangle. Now I'm just going to fill it with a gradient. So you can see it's already filled with a gradient there. You can find that in the Window menu and Gradient. Well, you can also go over here to the Swatches panel and select one of the swatches there as well. Again, Window and Swatches. However, with the Gradient panel, what you can do, you can go along the bottom and you can see a little plus. And you can click on there and you can add, say, 15, 20, 30. Just run all the way along and just click. And you can see what happens. They all go from white all the way through to black. And you can add them in between. And you can resize this a bit more if you want to stretch and add some more in. But what you can also do is you can always double click and bring up this panel and you can then recolor it. You can go obviously to RGB and maybe go for something like that, green. However, what you can also do is you can use a plugin. If you've got this is Astute Graphics. Please check out their website, Astute Graphics website. Got lots and lots of great features on there, samplers as well as freebies as well. And you can go down here to the bottom and randomize and you can see what happens. Just randomizes all the colors and all the colors are randomized. Though for some weird reasons, that one and that one are just being ignored. They're still white. Not certain why. Very strange. You would think they would colour. No, they don't want to recolor. Obviously some are just ignored for some weird reason. However, you can get a whole range of different colours. Now, once you've done that, you can go over to Swatches. Here's the Swatches panel. And you can just go here, New Swatch. And you can just say, just add that. And you can see it's added then to the swatches. Now you can save this document just to an AI file. And then of course you can use it later on if you want to drag those swatches back in again. What you can also do, you've got here, Randomino, you've got colour, and you can limit the range. So you can turn around and say, you know what, I just want it to be all reds. And then you can randomise again. And you can see what happens. Though slightly annoying with this, the white, let's just remove those. I don't know why those ones just being ignored. Very strange. Okay. Weird. Not certain why those ones weren't ignored. But you can see what happens. You create this lovely red design. And of course, once you've done that, you can go to swatches again, right side menu, new swatch, and you've got a lovely red design that you can add. So you can create a variety of different wonderful designs. And you can, of course, move these around, reposition. And then you think, you know what, I want a green one. So again, you can go to hue and you can just change the slider positions again, make it all green. You can see the range that it's going to use. And then you can again go to randomize and you can see now you've got a green one. And then again, swatches, right side, new swatch, click OK. And you can see it's been saved. But this is also, you notice it's got here, range. That's super useful because what you can do, you can go to it and say list. Now I've obviously got some already in here, but say I've got loads, let's delete these ones. I don't want those. So I've got some blues there. Now with this selection here, I can then just go and use those instead. So randomize, it will just use those. So you can just set up a set, maybe 4 or 5 colors. So you've got 4 or 5 colors that you want to spread throughout your gradient, but you want them all to be obviously used just those colors. Then you can do that and randomize again. You can see as you run through, and you can turn around and say, swatches again, right side, new swatch, and you've got your lovely blue swatch design here. You create a variety of ones, and of course you can then make them radial and much, much more, and manipulate them, of course, using the gradient tool. So you can see then you can create gradients and much, much more. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.